Now, this is the fourth of a series on reducing high blood pressure. I am going to demonstrate this in two stages. First of all, I'm going to show you a supported version, which is really relaxing. This is Setu Bandha. So far we've done Supta Padangusthasana, and then we did Purvatanasana, and then we did Mauritiusana 3 and Ardha Matsyendrasana. And now we're going to do Setu Bandha, which again is good for opening the chest, brings the heart higher than the head, and it's a supine pose, so it's very relaxing. So you come down onto your mat to begin with. I'm going to put these blocks, which I've covered with a blanket, to one side for a moment. Just come slowly down onto your back, knees bent, and just spend a couple of breaths letting yourself settle. Make sure that the two sides of the body feel roughly aligned. You can draw your shoulder blades a little bit closer together behind the back. Don't worry too much about adjusting. And then if you want, you can use blocks or a cushion, and you can just bring them underneath the back of the pelvis. So you don't want to stuff them up too high and get into the low back. You want them to support the back of the pelvis. And then you can just adjust yourself side to side and take a breath or two and just relax. Bring the chin down slightly. And as with all the other poses, focus on the exhalation. You might want to see what it feels like to straighten the legs, and then you'll get a stretch along the front of the hips, along the flexors, the front of the hips, and get a stretch in the abdominal area as well, which can feel quite good as long as it doesn't irritate the low back. So from here, the second version is you just bend your knees and push up slightly off the bolster or blocks, push them out of the way and come down. Then again, adjust yourself so that you're roughly lined up along the mat. Palms flat down on the floor this time. You can bring the heels slightly closer in towards the groins. Feel them with your fingertips so that you get an idea that they're an equal distance away. And then when you're ready, just push down on the arms and the palms of the hands and push the pelvis up, coming into Setu Bandha. Bring the chin down slightly. And just stay there for a few breaths. Very gentle inversion, so you're reversing the flow of blood in the heart. Opening the chest, press the shoulder blades down and slowly, vertebra by vertebra, from the top of the spine down. See if you can zip your spine back down onto the floor. Include the lumbar area and then just relax. And when you want to come up, roll over onto your side and come back up to sitting. So that's number 4 of these postures. Thank you.